Hello students, let's start our new chapter, Basic Geometrical Concepts. In this video, we are going to discuss about some basic geometrical ideas. Look here, these dots that we mark to show stars are points. The almost invisible tiny dots gives an idea about point. A dot as small as you imagine is a point. Point is the most important concept in geometry. A point is denoted by a capital letter. A point has no length, no breadth, no thickness, no shape or size, but has definite position. It means a point gives an idea of a location. Points come together to form a line. So, a line is a collection of points. In this way, we can say that a line can be defined as a straight set of points that extend in opposite directions. It has no endpoint in both directions. It has no thickness and it is one-dimensional shape. A line can be denoted in two ways. First is by using small letter. First of all, we have to put arrow on the both side of the line, and with the help of one small letter we represent line as shown in the figure. According to second method, we have to mark 2 points, says A and B, given in the figure, and we represent line like AB or BA, and we will make a small line on the top of this AB and BA. 3 or more points are said to be collinear if they lie on the same line in a plane, and this line is called the line of collinearity. If we take some part of a line, then that part is known as line segment. So, line segment is a part of a line that is bounded by two distinct endpoints. It has a beginning point and an ending point. So, we are able to measure the length of a line segment. In our daily life, we have so many examples of line segment like tube light, edge of a book, edge of a ruler, etc. A line segment from A to B is represented by segment AB or segment BA, as shown in the figure. Next is ray. Ray is also a part of a line. It has one endpoint, that is starting point, and it extends in one direction endlessly. Here a ray is represented by ray AB. It shows that A is the fixed point and B is the point on the path of a ray. Light coming from the sun or torch is an example of a ray. In geometry, there are basically 4 types of lines. They are horizontal lines, vertical lines, parallel lines, and perpendicular lines. Let us discuss them one by one. First is horizontal line. When a line moves from left to right in a straight direction, then that line is known as horizontal line. Next is vertical lines. When a line runs from top to bottom in a straight direction, then that line is known as vertical line. Let us discuss about parallel lines. When two straight lines do not meet or intersect at any point, even at infinity, then they are parallel to each other. Suppose two lines PQ and RS are parallel, then it is represented by as PQ parallel to RS. We have one more type, that is perpendicular lines. When two lines meet or intersect at an angle of 90 degree or at a right angle, then they are perpendicular to each other. You can see in this figure we have two lines, that is PQ and RS. If PQ and RS are two lines which are perpendicular to each other, then it is represented by PQ perpendicular to RS. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and keep learning.